Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present You. It's a West Coast vibe. The song is You, the artist is Lucy Pearl featuring Snoop Dogg, and the choreography is SHAKEEMA Prescott and JAMESE Ferguson. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction, I'll post it at the end of this video. And also, check out the choreographer. And here we go.
Check 1, 2.
I put it down for a place called Queen. You know I represent the 213. I hold it down for the VCT. On the YouTube, on the PYT. They on party. Open that up, ladies, ladies. That's all what you know.
My wife is sharp, no turning back, and it's all we cracking. Pure satisfaction, real that's what's happening.
You know my name. Ass back is to the bad time slip. Lady to lady, no matter the kind. I'm shining like you know it's hard to find.
Time is changing, change with time. My nigga, you want you, cause you so fine.
A woman choose a man is a real motif. Make your choices. Me and Ray, we never had me. Me and Snoop, we go hard. Real macaroni. Why you think that we're going to have a circle? Still go.
It's so special about you, baby. I need to know right here, right now, what you really wanna do.
in.
Check 1, 2.
Have fun with it, guys. My name is Linda Sims. I'm the Huda teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next